Taiwan is now officially free of African swine fever following an outbreak in October last year. Taiwan authorities successfully brought down cases to zero in just a month. It has regained its status earlier this week as a self-declared African swine fever-free area with the World Organization for Animal Health. Following the good news, the meat industry is hoping to resume exports of pork products.
The worker washes hands following clinical protocol. He's also wearing a cleanroom suit, fully covering his garments underneath. He also needs to get his whole body disinfected. Only after completing all the steps above is he allowed to enter the meat packaging line of Taiwan Farm Industry Company. Whole pigs have already been slaughtered with an automated system before entering this room to be individually packed for consumers. Hopefully, exports will resume because Taiwan has recently restored its status as a self-declared African swine fever-free area with the World Organization for Animal Health, or WOAH.
Since December, we've been convening working group meetings and many expert panels. Every one of our colleagues and our leaders have tirelessly helped us review the documents to be promptly submitted to the WOAH on February 21st and ultimately published on April 6th. This took only a little over a month. In comparison, the same application process took 4 months back in 2024, so it's definitely much faster now. That also means that the contents of our submission were very thorough and detailed and reviewed confidently by the experts at the WOAH. Our epidemic prevention efforts were truly recognized by the whole world, meaning that our monitoring and sanitation standards give us a great edge among international competitors.
Now that pork products can soon be exported again, the company has set its sights on Japan and Singapore for the time being.
It's mainly because these two countries have relatively higher income. Moreover, Taiwan has a regional advantage. We can ship refrigerated meat to Singapore and Japan in a short period of time. Our geographical situation is really convenient and really advantageous in both scale and distance. In 2027, we're abolishing using kitchen waste as pig slop. This year will be a transition period, meaning we'll enforce monitoring guidelines on thorough steaming and cooking. Relevant regulations must also be in place. Therefore, starting this year, we're focusing on monitoring kitchen waste as well as inspections.
The Ministry of Agriculture says that Taiwan is once again the only country in Asia free of 3 major swine diseases. The ministry also says that they'll continue coordinating with relevant authorities, such as in customs enforcement, market inspections, and domestic epidemic prevention, in order to improve international competitiveness of Taiwan's agricultural and meat products.